UCS cancer, you can see the 4-letter code and their information in this particular database. I just know about this TCGA OV. OV means it is a ovarian cancer. So it has been affected near about 399 cases. And I think this is for the lung cancer and so on. And this is for the prostate cancer. It has been affected in 114 cases, this particular gene, that is T53. And this is about the breast cancer, BRCA. So like this, they have plot this bar plot based on the cases has been affected with respect to the particular only one gene. Here you can see the copy number of variations. Do they gain the variations or loss? With respect to same, the percentage of cases been affected, and with respect to the different cancer types. You can directly download this data in the form of image or in the form of data. So if you want to plot this particular data by using your different visualization plot, so you can download this particular data from here, and by using your Excel sheet or any another visualization tool, you can also again regenerate this data by using this particular data sets. Even you can download here this data from here, that is download option is provided. We can also get the informations with respect to T53 genes and the cases in how many different types of cancer, and which type of is there any subtypes with respect to the cancer. For example, ovarian cancer, there are two subtypes they have been mentioned. Likewise, the subtype is also provided, and how many cases has been affected with respect to copy number of variations and gain. Likewise, the information will be you will be get from here. You can download in TSV format or JSON format. Here also you can get the plot about the mutations with respect to copy number of alterations and the cases information. Here you can see the mutations, what type of mutation is in which chromosome it has been affected, and only T53 gene has been affected in how many cases. So they have given the percentage with respect to affected cases in T53. So they have took how many cases they have studied. They have studied near about 4,296 cases. In that 151 cases has been affected. And this is with respect to all the cancer type. And how many cases has been affected and what is the impact of that case. Do they have moderate or tolerate, or it is low impact, like this. So based on only one search, you can move towards the study with respect to different types of cancer. Now I'm going to show you how to download the data by using data transfer tool. Here you can see the data transfer tool. The application is available in this particular site. Even you can find the documentation page over here, and here this is the data submission portal. Likewise, how we can download by using this data transfer tool, we can also submit our data in this particular GTC site by submitting this using this data submission portal. So how this portal works and what are the documentations regarding that, based on your interest, you can go towards this particular site and you can see. So now we are going to see the data transfer tool. So here you can get the overall information about what actually the GDC data transfer tool work, why we need for downloading a large data set, that is a raw sequence data in the form of BAM format or VCF format or any other format. Because only it is in the bulk size, we need this particular data transfer tool. And how it works, they have given in which version we can use this particular data transfer tool. And we can get this particular tool by going towards this particular page, that is GDC transfer tool page. When you click on this page, you will actually get the data transfer tool. Okay, here they have so from here you can download. It is last version, it is in the base of Python 3, and previous version it is based on 2.7 Python. So I have downloaded the in Windows version this particular GTC data transfer tool. You can download based on your which application you are using. So I will show you how I have downloaded and how we can use this particular data transfer tool now. So yesterday I have downloaded this GDC, that is data transfer tool. It is in the form of zip format. So this is nothing but the GDC, that is data transfer tool. But this tool will work by using the command line flow. So you have to provide the CMD command from your uh, search. So I will show you how to use that CMD command. So this is the CMD command pro. So here you have to give the path where the GDC data transfer tool has been downloaded. So I will give this path. So I will just copy this particular path which has been downloaded in download, that is GDC, and CMD command. So I will just provide this command over here, the path, and I will just click on enter. So it has recognized the path where it has been say downloaded. Now we are going to use this data transfer tool for downloading the files. Before that, we will see how we can what are the information they have stored in this particular GDC data transfer tool, so that we can use for downloading different file formats by using this particular command. So for that you have to give the command, that is okay. So you have to give the command GDC client upload, GDC dash client space upload So here you can see the options are available. You can directly download this manifest file, and in this you can find the information with respect to the data which has been downloaded based on your interest, and you can use the UUID. So I will show you how you can use that ID and for downloading the data. So here it is the
You were not audible from last 2-3 minutes.
one second.
So we could not see the path you have shown na. We could not
Visible.
hear that. It was also not visible after some time, and you were not audible for last 2-3 minutes. In chat option, you can see 2-3 people have also complained for that.
Okay. So I will show you from the GDC, that is data transfer tool, where it has been downloaded from there onwards.
Yes. How you have given the path, na, you were showing that
Okay.
also we could not see.
Okay, I will just share the screen. So this is the command prompt. Here, here I have provided the path. It has been downloaded here. So I will give once again the path so that you can see. You have to provide CD. Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. So then CD and the command I'm giving the path. That screen also I will share. So here in downloads, in the PC downloads, CDC, that is data transfer tool, has been downloaded. So I will just copy this path and I will paste here. I will take a new command prompt.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Nilufar. I again missed out. There was some lag. So can you go back maybe 2 minutes back? Like the copying of the path and
Okay.
that part.
Okay. Now I think you all can see the screen. So this is the command prompt. I'm just giving the path. Hello. Now you can see the screen.
Yes.
Command I am providing.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm just giving the path where the data transfer tool has been downloaded, and I'll just give enter. So the path has been recognized. Now we are going to see what are the options the GTC data transfer tool is providing for downloading or for uploading the data, and what are the token files, what type of command we have to give, that we are going to see. So the command which we have to give is the GDC client Then we have to give upload if you want to upload the data. Upload. Then H. We'll just take a enter. I think GDC. The client name has been given down. CLIENT client. Upload H. So it has been taking time. So here after that, here you can see it is providing the options regarding how to download the files, how to upload the file from the particular GDC portal. Even you can see in this particular screen. So it is providing the GDC client upload -h, this command we have provided, and it is showing the information how which command we can use for downloading or uploading or using the token files from the server itself. So this type of commands we can use if you want to download the log files from the GDC portal. If you have a token file and you want to download the control access data, so you can use this token file, that is -t option, and you can download the control access data by using this particular command. And after that, if you want to download the data which has only open access, so you have to provide the UUU ID. So how you will provide that ID? Just here you have to give the command, that is GDC client and now we are downloading, so we have to give the command, that is download, and now we have to provide the UUU ID. What is that UUU ID? I will just show you. So here you can see okay. So this is the GDC portal, and here you can see we have searched the particular TCGA breast cancer and the clinical data of the patient. But in the summary, you can see the case UUU ID. If the data is in control access, then it will give you us the error, that is the data has been not downloaded because it required a token file. If the data is in the open access file, the data will be directly downloaded. So we will just copy this particular UUU ID and I will just provide towards this command. So here we have given the command, that is GDC client download. Then I'm just going to paste. So I have pasted the UUU ID. So see, it is working. So if once it has been open access, then it will download. If it is control, then it won't download because it get error regarding that. So this is how we can use the data transfer tool for downloading a huge file with respect to sequence read or whole exome data from GDC portal. So it is taking time. Based on this file size, it will take time. If the file size is small, then it will directly download. If the file size is little bit large in the form of GB, then it will take some time to download. So this is what the actual working of data transfer tool. And in today's session, we have seen how the GDC portal works based on your interest of querying the data, downloading those data with respect to different file formats, and with respect to also with respect to different cancer types. And if somebody is interested to search only one particular gene and with respect to different cancer type, that thing also we have seen in this particular session. Even we have also used the data transfer tool for downloading huge files and providing the commands. If somebody have question regarding till whatever I have covered, they can ask to me.
Can you show us an example of the logged file where we will need a token file?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
So can you show us an example of downloading a logged file?
Yes, it is
The
downloading. Yes, you can see it is taking
this
time.
one that was shown, it was an unlocked file, right? We didn't have to download a token file for this one.
Yes, yes. So you
So
want
can
to
you
see
show
the
us an
open
example?
access data? Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
So my question is, can you show us an example of a file that where we will need the token file?
Means you want to see how we can download the open access data?
No, I want to see how can we download a file which is not open, which is logged. Like for which we will need a token, where we will have to use the -t command in the GDC command.
Yeah, that thing only I have shown you. This CMD page. So you have to give a command that is GDC client download, while rather than using upload option here, and using -h you can use the token that is -t. Once you have a token with respect to your account, then only you can use this particular token option, that is -t. And after that you have to give GCD UUUID, and after providing that for example like this GCD client download, and we have given the UUUID, then only it will download,
I
or
just
it
want
will stuck with error.
the -t flag.
Hello?
Hello, so I just wanted to see the use of the -t flag in the command.
I think if you have a token file, then only we can use that.
Okay, okay. Okay then.
If somebody have any questions, they can ask to me, or else we can conclude our today's session. And yes,
Hello.
yes.
I just wanted to ask that if I want a particular cancer type like triple negative breast cancer,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to see the genes, then how to filter that? Like you are going to tell us about the how to use filters or in next session?
in today's session, means here only I can explain to you. I will just share the screen of GDC portal. I think I have explained that, but I will just again show you. So this is nothing but the GDC portal. So here is the, for example, breast cancer. Okay, you can see the screen.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so here what in previous slide I have, means in the demo I have explained you. So in this particular subtype you can click this filters they have provided. So only breast cancer, this number of cases are there, and 21,000 genes are they have shown. So here you can see the subtype information with respect to cases they have given.
No, like cases like triple negative, that is means there the HER2 3 genes are negative actually. Or like the cases which I want to see where the only radiotherapy is been given, and after that the genes.
Yes.
So all
this information you will get once you have downloaded the clinical data. In clinical data,
so can I use some filters or some filters to like only those cases I will get, like that something is there?
In this particular search option, so that you can directly download that particular filter, and then afterwards you can directly download those files. Like this you are talking, na?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So here
Okay, treatment or therapy we
yes,
can
yes.
see.
So here are the cases and the clinical, and these are the filters they have provided. So if you are interested to take only the race with respect to black or African, then you can click and it will get refresh. So the number of cases has been reduced. So now the cases they are showing is 578 cases. So all these cases you can directly download. Again, we will see the follow-ups, or the, if you are interested to take only the age of diagnosis below 90. So you can make the filters available, which is here, that if you want to search the age, the disease has been diagnosed in 30 to 50, like this. So the filters are available here. You can use these filters based on the clinical data. Now whenever you click this, then the page will automatically refresh, and the cases will reduce or it will increase based on how many the cases has been registered with respect to your search option, like this.
Okay.
So here you can see this filter. If you want to search a gene with respect to only protein coding genes, so you can see the filter is provided here. Only protein coding genes informations are there, that is 19,729 gene information are there, or more option is also there, like this. So after you are interested to study only miRNA data, so after clicking the page will get refreshed, and only again the cases has been reduced, that is cases 55 and genes are 35, and in that how many mutations and their oncogate informations, likewise. So here are the filters options you can provide based on your interest. The more you will explore towards this particular GDC portal, the more analysis and interpretations with respect to your search you can do, which will be really helpful if you only use this particular site, and you use this particular site with respect to your search. So this is the overall flow and the demo of the GDC portal with respect to different cancer types and omics data which is available. And we are also getting the clinical information and even the images information with respect to omics data. So this platform will be really helpful for those candidates who want to work the data to come up with certain analysis in the field of healthcare or drug designing or druggable target concepts, or for designing any biomarker or precision cancer medicine, because we have the clinical data with respect to omics data.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I had one question regarding GDC client download, which you showed just now. So the thing is, if you want to like download multiple cases at one command only, so we give the UUID one after the other for 2 to 3 downloads if we want to.
Yeah, for that you have to download the manifest file which is available at the GDC portal. So once the file will be downloaded, we have to give the particular path after the of the manifest file. Then it will recognize those paths and you can download more than one clinical data.
Okay.
Yes. So I think no more questions. So in today's session, we have seen the overall flow of GDC portal. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to explore more by using some another database. So where we can also get the same omics data and how the data has been uh, used in those particular database, what type of clinical data is available, what type of visualization and analysis tool they have used. This thing we are going to have exposure in tomorrow's session. So I finally conclude today's session about the day 3 of Canceromics virtual session regarding the omics data with respect to using the TCGA database and the GDC portal, and by using the data transfer tool, how we have interpret our data, how we have analyzed our data with respect to different file formats, and even with respect to different cancer types and gene of our interest. So thank you all the candidates for joining today's session, and looking forward to join for tomorrow's session with respect to using another database for exploring the different cancer types. Thank you.
Thank you.